Some big news coming in from West Bengal. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee speaks on the lockdown exit plan. Mamata says that we are allowing factories to operate in green zones. Mamata Banerjee saying that relaxations won't be applicable in containment zones. Only those green zones will some business be able to start up. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is saying that only factories in green zones will begin to operate. Those in containment zones will remain closed. Let's quickly go over to Manogya Lohewal joining us for more on this. Manogya, there was all talk that West Bengal will open up, that many establishments will start functioning from now. But here we have Mamata Banerjee saying that only in green zones and not in containment zones. But it's very difficult to distinguish between containment zones entirely with green zones. Are there that many areas which are completely untouched? Coronavirus cases have not been reported?
Well, there are only 4 districts that are in West Bengal, precisely the 4 ones near and around Kolkata, with Kolkata being the maximum affected and with the highest number of patients too. But when you talk about other districts in the state, there have been some of them like Jalpaiguri and others, which there aren't many cases that have been registered till now. However, the government has also made it very clear that any decision will be only on the lines of what the central government plans. Whether there will be an extension of the lockdown, they are waiting for to hear from the central government. But also one very pertinent point that she's made today in a very scathing attack at BJP just a few minutes ago, where she's challenged all the BJP leaders to come out and be a part of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan that they have been campaigning in the best possible way and join the health workers instead of doing politics. So also at a time when there have been several allegations against the state government, be it the dead body allegations of handling of COVID-19 patients, or even the menace in the hospitals, he has come out with a very hit out at the BJP leaders and of course the party itself, stating that this is not the time for politics. Instead, if you cannot appreciate, join these people, the frontline workers in the field too.
Right. Manogya, let's hope people also show responsibility on ground there, refrain from stepping out as long as they are in containment areas, and the lockdown applies in West Bengal as well. Thank you very much for joining us. On that note, it's a wrap of this bulletin. For further news and updates, you can log on to indiatoday.in. Remember, please stay home and stay safe.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.